Alright everyone, hi and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be developing basically not I am going to be developing, my friend has developed basically a hotel scraper bot. What it does is basically it fetches all the data from this website called as Expedia about the hotel names, their image, their rupees, their ratings and stuff like that. So let's get straight into action. So if I run this code, so basically it should basically scrape all the data. So if I say New York, it's gonna give me hotels in New York. Here you can see these are all the hotels: Westgate, New York, Grand Central, Manhattan. This is the amount: 27,976 rupees divided by 70 is the dollars, of course, the rating and stuff like that. The only two bugs that I have in this code, my friend did not took care, is basically if the rating is not given on the website, he basically assigned a random rating, which is basically wrong. So here you can see he's assigning a random rating from 3 to 5, which needs to be addressed. Another bug is basically while the image URLs, for sometimes, so some hotels there are no images. So what he did is basically he just took the previous image URL. So for example, this one you can see that's the only two bug. Rest he did a very great job. Please feel free to download this code. The links are there in the description section below. We need to modify this and make it like a state-of-the-art design pattern, data structures. So of course right now these two bugs are there. I need to solve these bugs, and right now it's only giving 19 hotels. I can further modify it to get more and more hotels, scrape a little bit more. So just give your like location where you want to go, the location, the check-in date, the checkout date, the number of guests and adults, and it will do the job for you. So that's the website, that's the code. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If so, do give a like. The code is there on my GitHub account. Make sure to download it, play with it, and change it. I have also a Python organization on GitHub. Make sure to follow us or join the Python organization. We do a lot of cool projects. If you want to join in, please let me know. We have a Slack channel where you can talk to people. Of course, everything is for free. We are not like charging anything. It's an open source community. Anyone who wants to work on any of the cool projects, come collaborate and stuff like that. That's it for this video. That being said, I'll conclude my video right here. The code is also there on my GitHub. Make sure to please check it out. If you have any more questions, please let them in the comment section and I would be very happy to assist you. That's it for this video. See you guys next time.